Can you believe it? Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, skyrocketed from mere cents in its early days to an astonishing $68,000 at its peak. This mind-boggling surge shook the global financial landscape, captivating the attention of investors, skeptics, and dreamers alike. Join us as we delve deep into the story of cryptocurrencies, from the origins of Bitcoin to the explosive growth of its copycat altcoins, with tens of thousands of digital coins claiming uniqueness and entering the scene. We'll dive into captivating stories of individuals who stumbled upon these digital assets at just the right moment, propelling them from humble beginnings to unimaginable wealth. And we won't shy away from the harsh realities either. We'll witness the devastating moments when markets crashed, wiping away fortunes and leaving individuals grappling with the harsh reality of financial loss. However, amidst this financial revolution, a lingering question persists. Is crypto the real deal, or is it just a scam? Let's find out. Let's start with the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin emerged from the ashes of the 2008 financial crisis when people lost faith in traditional financial institutions. It aimed to challenge the status quo by providing an alternative that couldn't be controlled by any single entity. This renegade solution captured the imaginations of tech-savvy individuals and those seeking financial freedom. During this time, a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto emerged from the shadows, offering the world a groundbreaking solution to the flaws of the traditional banking system. Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency that operated without the need for intermediaries or central authorities. However, Bitcoin was just the beginning. Soon, a wave of copycat altcoins flooded the market, each claiming to offer something unique. Tens of thousands of digital coins emerged, challenging the dominance of Bitcoin and introducing new ideas, features, and applications. From Ethereum's smart contracts to Ripple's fast and cheap cross-border transactions, these altcoins brought forth a myriad of possibilities and use cases. With such a vast array of choices, investors and enthusiasts were left to navigate through an ocean of promising projects, each with its own vision and potential. Before we continue further, please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. I am sure they will be grateful for it. The world of cryptocurrencies resembles a roller coaster ride, with prices soaring to incredible heights and then plummeting to devastating lows. One of the primary reasons for this volatility is the unique nature of cryptocurrency itself. Unlike traditional currencies such as the US dollar or tangible assets like gold and silver, cryptocurrencies lack intrinsic value. They are not backed by physical assets or governed by governments or central banks. Instead, their value is determined by the trust and confidence of the market. This lack of inherent value and centralized control contributes to the high volatility of a cryptocurrency. The prices can be greatly influenced by regulatory interventions, technological advancements, and even market speculation, where a single news headline or even a simple tweet can send the prices soaring or crashing within moments. For example, in early 2021, Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that originated as a playful meme. Within hours of Musk's tweet, the price of Dogecoin experienced an astonishing surge, skyrocketing over 300%. Investors and traders rushed to buy Dogecoin, hoping to capitalize on this sudden and dramatic price increase. However, the excitement was short-lived. Within a couple of hours, it had lost nearly half of its recently gained value, leaving countless people who had been lured into the frenzy and financial ruin. Meet Roy, a 29-year-old from Scotland who fell victim to the crypto bubble. It all began when he heard a radio advert for Dogecoin. Intrigued, Roy started researching and eventually invested around $2,800 using his credit card in various cryptocurrencies. Initially, Roy's portfolio soared, reaching an astonishing $600,000. Encouraged by this success, he went all in, investing everything in crypto, relying on it to fulfill his dreams. However, the cryptocurrency market eventually crashed, causing Roy's world to crumble. Desperate to recoup his losses, he made ill-advised bets, further diminishing the value of his portfolio. Eventually, it dwindled to just around $3,000. Overwhelmed by the situation, he isolated himself, feeling like a failure and watching his chances for a better life slip away. But amidst the chaos, there are also individuals who have found incredible success. One such person is Eric Finman, better known as the Bitcoin teenage millionaire. When he was just 12 years old, Eric made a bold deal with his parents. He wanted to skip college and focus on investing if he could turn the $1,000 his grandmother gave him into $1 million. Eric decided to invest all of his money in Bitcoin and a few other cryptocurrencies when each coin was worth only $12. Little did he know that this daring decision would lead him to immense wealth. Today, Eric Finman's net worth is estimated to be $5 million or possibly even more. These stories highlight the volatility of crypto investments. There are also countless other stories of crypto, both fortune and misfortune. How about you? Have you had any experiences with crypto yourself? Don't hesitate to leave your stories in the comments. And as we peer into the future, two contrasting visions come to light. On one side, we have utopian dreams, painting a world where digital currencies reign supreme. In this vision, cryptocurrencies revolutionize finance, promoting decentralization and inclusivity, and empowering individuals to take control of their wealth. However, on the flip side, there are dystopian nightmares that caution against a potential catastrophic crypto bubble burst. Skeptics raise concerns about the inherent volatility and speculative nature of cryptocurrencies, warning of a market collapse that could have devastating consequences for many. Yet, amidst these differing viewpoints, there are several factors that could fuel the next phase of crypto expansion. Increasing business adoption, evolving regulatory landscapes, and technological advancements all hold the potential to propel cryptocurrencies forward, bringing them further into the mainstream. However, it's important to acknowledge that the crypto landscape also faces significant challenges. Regulatory crackdowns aim to bring stability and protect investors, but they can create obstacles for the industry. Price fluctuations driven by market sentiment and speculative trading add to the unpredictability, and technical hurdles such as scalability and security also need to be addressed. Nevertheless, signs of acceptance within mainstream finance are emerging. The introduction of futures trading for cryptocurrencies and notable companies like Tesla embracing Bitcoin as a payment option demonstrates growing integration. Cryptocurrencies have exhibited extreme highs and lows in a short period of time. However, it would be unwise to completely dismiss them. Cryptos are still in their early stages and require time to mature, both from a technological and market perspective. The world of cryptocurrencies is not for the faint of heart. It's a realm where excitement and opportunities go hand in hand with risks and uncertainties. Now we turn the mic to you, our dedicated viewers. What are your predictions about the future of cryptocurrency? Will it be the golden ticket to a prosperous future, revolutionizing the way we conduct transactions? Or do you believe it carries the potential for a dangerous bubble that could burst at any moment? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.